I'm a provincial specialist with the Employment Practices branch of the Ministry of Labour. I provide guidance and support to our employment standards officers with respect to the interpretation and application of the Employment Standards Act. The Employment Standards Act sets minimum standards with respect to employment in workplaces in Ontario. It sets minimum standards for things such as hours of work, overtime pay, minimum wages, vacation, public holidays, and notice of termination. The Act applies to most employees working in Ontario. However, it doesn't apply to employees whose employment is federally regulated, such as employees working for airlines, in banks, and in post offices. Employers are required to comply with the Employment Standards Act. That includes such things as establishing a regular payday for their employees and maintaining records. They are also required to display the Employment Standards Act poster in a prominent spot in the workplace. If an Employment Standards Officer determines that an employer has not complied with the Employment Standards Act, that officer may issue an order to pay wages, a notice of contravention, a compliance order, or the ministry may choose to prosecute the employer.
My name is Bhupatrai Ray Bhatt. I'm an Employment Standard Officer with the Ministry of Labour. My job is to administer and enforce the Employment Standard Act. We do the enforcement and administration of Employment Standard Act through claims, investigation, and inspection of the workplace. If an employee wants to find out about his rights, he can call our call center, which is open Monday to Friday, normal business hours, or he can go on our website. Our website has different tools which will guide him to find out if his rights have been violated. We also have pamphlets and literature in different languages which will also guide you through the Employment Standard Act and to find out your rights. If you are covered under the Employment Standard Act, your employer cannot penalize you, intimidate you, or fire you for exercising or asking for your rights. If you feel that your rights are not being respected, you can file a claim with the Ministry of Labour. For more information regarding your rights and how to file a claim, go on our Ministry of Labour website.